In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the HubSpot Sales Hub Professional Trial Guide effectively. Whether you're a first-time user or someone looking to refresh your knowledge, this guide will help you get the most out of your trial experience. Now, let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by heading over to the trial guide. If you have a link provided to you, simply click on it, which will take you directly to the HubSpot Sales Hub Professional Trial Guide. This is your starting point and the hub where your journey begins. Upon reaching the trial guide, the next step is to locate and click on the CRM section. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and it is an essential tool for any business looking to enhance its customer interactions. By clicking on CRM, you'll be exploring the core functionalities that HubSpot provides in managing your customer relationships effectively. After you've entered the CRM section, you'll want to focus on the Contacts area. Simply click on Contacts. This will bring up a comprehensive view of all your stored contacts within the HubSpot system. It's where you maintain all the crucial information about current and potential customers. Keeping the contact list updated and organized is key to effective customer relationship management. So, take your time to familiarize yourself with the layout and capabilities offered here. With your contacts displayed, you're now ready to proceed to the export function. Click on Export. This feature is incredibly valuable as it allows you to create backups of your contacts or transfer them to other systems for further analysis or marketing efforts. Exporting contacts ensures you have access to your important data outside of HubSpot when necessary, so let's make sure to utilize this feature to maintain data flexibility and security. Navigating through these steps might seem straightforward, but remember that each section of the HubSpot Sales Hub is filled with features designed to streamline your workflow and enhance your customer management capabilities. As you proceed through each feature, take note of any questions or areas you might want to explore further. Keep in mind that HubSpot frequently updates its platform, which means new features and improvements are often added. Therefore, staying curious and exploring beyond these initial steps will enable you to adapt quickly and take full advantage of what HubSpot has to offer through its constant enhancements. There you have it, a concise guide to getting started with the HubSpot Sales Hub Professional Trial Guide. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Continue exploring and make the most of your trial experience. Thank you for watching and happy managing.